If you have been battling acne for years, you know how frustrating it is to try endless products that don't work. But what if I told you the key to clear skin might just be simple, consistent skin routine using the right ingredients, and there are few do's and don'ts you need to follow. Let's clear things up, literally. Hi, I'm Dr. Madhuri Anantwar. I'm a 40-year-old board certified dermatologist. I have been practicing in Nagpur since 10 years. First thing first, cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine, especially for acne-prone skin. You want to clear away the dirt, oil without stripping your skin. I recommend using a salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide cleanser. But don't overdo it. Using twice a week is enough. Here are my few recommendations for salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide face wash. For easier access to products, there is a link on my bio. You can go through it. Harsh scrubbing or washing too more can actually irritate your skin more and cause breakout. So keep it gentle. Then comes your moisturizer. Here is the main thing. Most of the people are using wrong moisturizer. They are not using this moisturizer according to their skin type. Like if you are using Vaseline and Nivea, then definitely your pores are going to get clogged and you are going to get more whitehead and blackheads, which will eventually turn into a pimple. Even that Vaseline and Nivea suits you on your other body areas, they are not suitable for your face. You have to make sure whichever product you are applying, like your moisturizer, sunscreen or any other skin product, you have to see for this label called non-comedogenic. That means it won't clog your pores. Sure, oil free doesn't mean it is non-comedogenic. There are many products which are labeled as oil free. That doesn't mean that won't cause any breakout. So here are my few recommendations for acne prone skin moisturizers. So before going further, let's see how a pimple is formed. So there are many sebaceous glands in your skin and they respond to many factors like hormone, your stress, your diet, and in response to your diet they produce excess sebum. When the sebum get clogged, it get clogged at the surface level with the dirt and oil. Then it clogs your skin pores and bacteria start growing inside and this turn into a pimple. So just applying skincare product won't help you to clear your acne. So there are few do's and don'ts. So let's go first with the acne diet. So in acne diet, the most important thing is avoid all the dairy products, all the milk and milk related products. The thing with milk is when you consume milk, it has Ig1F factor which acts on your sebaceous gland and it increases the sebum production of your skin. Other than that, nowadays cows and cattle are given hormonal therapy to increase the milk production and these hormones indirectly affect your hormonal imbalance. But if you want to consume once in a while, taking milk is fine, and among all the other milk products, curd is relatively a safer option. If you are taking whey or protein powder, you have to replace it with a vegan protein. Again, whey or milk derived protein powder is derived from milk. So you have to avoid it and replace it with vegan powder. Then the other things you need to avoid is sugar, excess amount of chocolates, maida and rice. All these foods are high glycemic index food. That means they can alter the Ig1 level in your blood and that can affect your oil glands. There are few do's and don'ts like don't apply oil for more than 15 or 20 minutes on your scalp. If you have dandruff, use anti-dandruff shampoo as the dandruff on your scalp can clog your pores. Then don't use any home remedies or DIY as they can clog your pores. And if you are using makeup, make sure to use clean hands to apply your makeup. Don't use makeup brushes because makeup brushes have many bacteria on their surface and you can't clean them frequently and they can clog your pores. So again, don't forget to wash your makeup with double cleansing. Use micellar water first and then your face wash. Just washing it once won't remove your makeup. Don't sleep with your makeup. Always use a clean napkin every day on your pillow or frequently wash your pillowcase. Never ever use your mobile like this because there are many bacteria and oil on your mobile screen and it can clog your pore. Always use your mobile away from your face. Don't ever prick or pick your acne. If you have a habit of picking your acne, then make sure to use acne patch on your acne so that it will act as a barrier between your hand and your skin. Because when you are picking or pricking your acne, then you are actually producing more pigment and it can leave scars behind. Always make sure to wash your scalp 2 to 3 times a week if you have oily scalp. Don't get facials or cleanup done even if you have whiteheads or acne, because they can aggravate your acne within next 7 to 8 days. Don't get wax or threading done over your face, chest, upper arm and back area. Especially avoid threading over your forehead area, because threading and wax can increase your red inflammatory acne within 7 days. Or don't apply vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is not suitable for acne prone skin. Instead of vitamin C, you can opt for salicylic acid, which will help reduce acne, blackhead, whitehead as well as your pigmentation. This skincare routine along with these do's and don'ts will help you get the clear skin. But if you have severe acne or your acne tends to leave scar behind, then make sure to consult a dermatologist. And if you want online consultation with me, then you can contact on this number. We have treated multiple patients with severe acne. Here are few examples of our happy patients. Overnight miracles rarely happen, but consistent use makes a huge difference. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you on your journey to clear glowing skin. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more skincare tips and drop a comment below on what skincare steps you are focusing on. Remember, your skin is unique, so give it love and care it deserves.